So hello everyone. In last video, I have write a program to calculate the area of a circle using pointer, and in this video, I will continue from that part. So here, printf slash n area is equal to percent dot 2f and pointer p area, and at last return 0. So this is the code in C language to calculate the area of a circle using the pointer variables. Okay. So now we have to compile it. So we go to the execute icon here and compile. So you can see that here is no errors and there is no warning. So we can directly go and run the program. So enter the radius of the circle. For example, if you write in number 2.3, because it is float data type, we have given a chance to write the decimal numbers also. So we can write the decimal number 2. So 2.3, and then we can press the enter, and we can see that area is equal to 16.61. So the area is calculated very well. Now the another question is to write a program to convert a floating point number into an integer. So we have to enter the number from the user using float data type, and we have to convert it into int data type. Yani we have to convert it into integer. So let's start with the main. This is the syntax, and let's start with the main code. So we write the float data type. So here, and the number is num1. Okay, and the pointer variable is float dereference ptr num1. Okay, and similarly we have to convert it into int. So we declare int data type, and the variable name is num2, and similarly the pointer ptr num2. Okay, so now we have to take value from the user, enter the floating point number percent f, and oh sorry, we are using pointer variable, so no, and ptr num1. And now the main part comes. So now we have to convert this floating number into an integer, that is int data type. So here we will use typecasting. Okay, so in typecasting we'll first write the we have to convert it into integer. So we'll write the first integer pointer variable, and now we'll use typecasting, right? We have to convert it into int. So we'll write data type int in bracket, and then write the floating point pointer variable. So the floating point pointer variable is ptr num1, and at last we have to show to the user that it is converted. So first we have to write the earlier number, that is the floating number, which contains some decimal numbers, and then we will write the integer number which is converted, the which had converted the floating number into integer using typecasting method. So we can write it like that. The floating number percent dot, I want only up to one place, so percent dot 1f is converted into integer number, and now it is percent d. Okay, and the floating variable is ptr num1, and the integer pointer is ptr num2. And now at last we'll use return 0,